Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to IT or you are just looking to improve your IT skills, then this channel is for you. On this channel, I give you step-by-step tutorials on how to solve everyday IT problems. So without wasting any time, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. So in today's tutorial, we are going to look at combo boxes. If you don't know what a combo box is, it's simply a control that allows you to either edit or select a list of items. So without wasting any time, please join me. Let's get right into the video. So combo boxes are really fun. You can use it to add months, dates, everything you want at all, like a list of items, anything at all. What it does is it gives you a drop down menu or a drop down list. So what we are going to do today is we are going to learn how to add a list of items into a combo box. So whenever you open a combo box or you run your program, you can go and select any item you want or add any item you want from those lists. So the first thing we are going to do is we need to create a new project. So go ahead and do that. And after you click on new project, you need to name your project. So I'm going to name mine ComboBox. You can choose any name you want, it doesn't really matter. So after naming your project, the next thing you want to do is to select the location for your project or your file. And to do this, you just click on browse and select the location you want to store your file or your project in. Mine is stored on desktop. I'm just going to leave mine at desktop. You can choose any location you want, and after that you click on OK. So our project is created. I'm just going to resize it to make it a little bit bigger for you guys to see. I mean, you can resize it if you want, just to make it big and to make it more visible. Now go ahead and change the text property. Change it to combo box. So normally what I like to do is I like to edit my font. And my favorite font style is the Times New Roman. And my favorite size is 12. So you can go ahead and do that. And I mean, it's all optional if you want to, and if you don't, you just leave it. I mean, I like to do this anytime I want to work on a new project because I want my work to be visible. So guys, now that we have our form all set up, the next thing we are going to do is to find our toolbox. You can find this by clicking on view, and if you look, you'll find toolbox. And also you can open this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt and then X, as you guys can see over here. And after opening our toolbox, we can find our combo box over here. And you can open the combo box by double clicking on it or dragging it to the form. I mean, there are so many ways you can open this. So go ahead and do that. And now that we have our combo box, let me just position it well. So there are two ways of adding items to a combo box. You can do it on the form by clicking on this little icon and clicking on edit items, and here you can type in the items you want to add to the combo box. I'm going to add a few items. I'm going to add unlimited, and then tech, and then basics. And as you guys can see, these are my items. So when I click OK, I'm adding these items to my combo box. So when I run or start this program, I expect to find the items I added to the combo box in there. So if I click here, you can see those items. So I can select unlimited. I can also select tech or select basics. So now I'm going to show you how to delete items you add to a combo box manually or on the form. You can do this by going to the same button, click on edit items, and just deleting all the things or the item you want to delete, and click OK. So by doing so, we've just deleted the items. Now to show you how to add items to a combo box the other way, go to Toolbox and select a button. You can double click to select it or drag it to the form. Now change the text property to add item and press enter when you are done. I'm just going to resize this to make it bigger for you guys to see. And after you do so, double click on the button. So before we do anything, we need to create a space or a container to store our items into. And in programming, we call this container a variable. And to create a variable, we need to type dim, D-I-M, and then followed by the name of our container. I'm just going to name mine item. You can name it you can choose any name you want. Now type the name of your variable, in my case item, equal to input box, and then open the bracket and then open quotation mark, and then here I'm just going to put enter an item, right? You can put anything. It's just an indicator to let the user know what to do. So with this line of code, we are doing two things. We are displaying an input box, and we are storing anything that is typed into that input box. We are saving it into our variable or container, in my case the item. Now an input box allows users to type in data. Now we type ComboBox 1.items.add and then open bracket item, which is my variable name or my container name. I don't know if you notice, but item is the name of my variable. I mean, if you used a different name, it will be different. That is where we are adding our items into. And then ComboBox 1 is the name of our combo box. So if I start this and click on add item, you can see our input box has appeared, and then you can go ahead and enter any item. I'm going to enter unlimited and click OK. So by doing so, we've just added that unlimited into our combo box. If I click here, you can see unlimited. Now you can add as much items as you want. You can go ahead and click on add item again and enter another item. I'll enter technology and click on OK when you are done. And by doing so, we've just added another item to our combo box. Now you can see technology. You can add another item too. Like I said earlier, you can add as much as you want. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. So today we learned about combo boxes, what a combo box is, and what they are used for. And also we learned how to add items to a combo box. First, we learned how to add items in the form, and also learned how to add items whilst the program is running. So we did a little bit of coding today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please kindly like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video, and I'll be dropping a lot of videos. So I'll see you next time when we learn about how to remove or delete items from a combo box. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.